everyone, Kristen here. As you know, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't need to be complicated. And today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest side dishes you can make for your holiday feast. We're going to make Instant Pot creamed corn. This is perfect for the holidays because it makes a ton and it's super creamy and indulgent and rich and it's so good. So let's get started. I have 32 ounces of frozen corn here. Add that right to my Instant Pot. You can already see it's gonna make a lot. Perfect for the holidays. You can cut this recipe in half if you're using a 3-quart or 6-quart Instant Pot. It can't be cut in half if you're using an 8-quart, unfortunately. And to this, I'm adding in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. No substitutions. Heavy cream won't curdle under pressure. All other dairy products can. And then I'm going to season this with some salt. I have about half a teaspoon of kosher salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also have a half a cup of vegetable broth here. You could use chicken broth, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. That's really gonna bring out the corn's natural sweetness, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Let's see if I can give this a stir. If you can't stir it, it's okay. It's just because your corn is frozen, and sometimes that's hard to give it a good mix. It's a little bit of a workout there. Now, on top of your corn here, we're going to place 8 ounces of cream cheese. Use full fat cream cheese when cooking under pressure, and a half a stick or a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and I'm just dolloping that over the top. That's it. I mean, easy peasy, really, really quick. Pop our lid on our Instant Pot. Make sure our venting knob is pointed towards sealed, and then we're only going to cook this for 3 minutes on high pressure. Hit manual or pressure cook, and then use the plus or minus buttons to adjust until it reads 3. After the cooking time has elapsed, you want to let pressure release for at least 10 minutes here. That way you don't have hot cream spiraling out of your vent knob here. My Instant Pot has already released pressure, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it smells like, you know, the corn casserole that's made with like a cornbread mix that's buttery and creamy and cheesy and well, it smells a lot like that. It doesn't look very pretty, but trust me, once you give it a stir, that cream cheese is gonna break down and just combine with the corn here to create a creamy, creamy, cheesy dish. Oh, smells so good. It is a little bit on the looser side here, and you can totally just let it sit. It will start to solidify and just thicken up as it cools, and it's a great dish to make ahead and then just warm up for the holidays, or just enjoy it a little bit creamier. I'm gonna go in for a bite. It's hot, but I can't help myself. Oh my word. It is buttery, it is creamy, it is sweet. It is so good. You guys are going to love this simple Thanksgiving dish. Your guests are gonna love it. For how I prep Instant Pot stuffing, be sure to catch my next video for another easy Instant Pot recipe that's perfect for Thanksgiving. Until next time, happy cooking. Totally double dipping.